This topic has been highly requested. So a lot of the time when we have a new student, they might feel a little bit shaky or a little bit scared about getting on camera, whether it's getting on camera to practice coaching in our coaching certification, or even getting on camera on Instagram or YouTube to share their story and share the content to help them attract clients. So whatever it is for you that you want to be comfortable on camera with, this exercise that I'm going to lead you through today is absolutely perfect. But what we're going to run through together is tapping on certain meridian points in your body to help you release nervousness, release anxiety, and release resistance around showing up on camera so you can show up, be more confident, remember exactly what it is that you want to say, and put your best foot forward. So what we're going to first do is I want you to rate how you're feeling about being uncomfortable on camera from a scale of 0 to 10. So 0 means you're totally fine, and 10 means you're really, really fearful and really, really resistant about showing up to be on camera. So rate that for you. Maybe it's a 5, maybe it's a 7, maybe it's a 10, and just make a mental note of what that is. And now we're going to get right into EFT tapping. So you can tap on the side of the hand here. So you can just repeat after me. Even though I'm feeling uncomfortable on camera, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm feeling uncomfortable on camera, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm feeling uncomfortable on camera, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Great job. So now we're going to go to the top of the head. Even though I'm feeling uncomfortable on camera, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I'm feeling so uncomfortable about showing up. I'm feeling so nervous about turning on my camera. Now you can move next to your eyebrow. I'm worried about how I might look. I'm anxious about what other people might think. And I'm feeling so uncomfortable about turning that on. Let's go to the side of the eye. It feels so much easier to just not turn it on. I'm feeling scared about getting out of my comfort zone. And even though I'm feeling uncomfortable on camera, I deeply love and accept myself. You can go under the eye now. It feels so scary to turn the camera on. I know that my growth will come with turning the camera on, but something is stopping me. Let's go under the nose. I want to protect myself from what might happen. I'm worried about rejection. I'm worried about what people might think about me. Let's go in the chin. What if I mess up? What if everyone is way more advanced than me? I feel like an imposter. And you can just go underneath your collarbone now. And even though I'm feeling uncomfortable on camera, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And you can say that one more time. Even though I'm feeling uncomfortable on camera, I deeply love and accept myself. And then you can just go under or beside your rib cage. I'm feeling so uncomfortable. I'm not feeling confident about this at all. And then you can just tap your wrists together like this. I'm feeling so not confident about getting on camera. And even though I'm feeling so uncomfortable, I deeply love and accept myself. So great job. You just went through one whole release round of EFT tapping. So I want you to check in on the emotion now, the emotion of feeling uncomfortable on camera. How does it now feel on that same scale of 0 to 10? So maybe before it was a 7 and now you're feeling like a 4, or maybe before it was a 3 and now you're feeling more like a 1. So whatever it is, just check in on that right now. If you're still feeling 1 or above, we can do another release round together. And if you're at a 0, then what you can do is just skip ahead. Hi. What you can do is just skip ahead to when we tap in the positive suggestions, and we can do that together. And this little guy, this little guy wanted to come to work with me today. So here we are. You can help me with tapping, okay? Do you see yourself on the screen there? Who's that? Yeah, that's you. So mommy's going to tap. You can tap with me, okay? All right. So we're going to start at the top of the head. You can tap too if you want, Isaiah. Good job. Even though I'm feeling uncomfortable on camera, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I'm feeling so uncomfortable about getting on camera. I'm feeling so worried about what people might think of me. Okay, now we can go next to the eyebrow. Right here. Good job. I'm so worried about what people might think. I'm worried I might forget what to say. And even though I'm not feeling confident, I deeply love and accept myself. Good job. Now we're going to go to the side of the eye, right here. Very good. I'm so worried about showing up. But I know that my success is just outside of my comfort zone. And now we're going to go underneath the eye, right here. Underneath the eye. Oh, just below it, right here. Yeah, that's very good. I don't feel like someone who can show up. I don't feel like a confident communicator. I don't know if I'm capable of doing this. And then we'll go underneath the nose. Underneath here. Right here. Good job. Yeah, that's perfect. What if I forget what I'm about to say? What if I ask a question and I look so silly? What if I say the wrong thing? What if someone gets upset with what I say? And now you can go on the chin. And even though I'm feeling uncomfortable about showing up on camera, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And now we can go to the collarbone. I'm not feeling confident about showing up. It feels so much easier to hide. Right here. Underneath the collarbone here. Yeah. It feels so much easier to play small and protect myself. And even though I'm not feeling comfortable on camera, I deeply, completely love and accept myself. Right here. That's very good. And then we'll go next to the rib cage. Even though I'm feeling uncomfortable on camera, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I'm feeling so nervous. I'm feeling so anxious. I'm feeling so worried about the unknown. And now let's go to the wrist. Can you put your wrist together like this? Okay, yes, this is good, yes. Even though I'm feeling so uncomfortable, I deeply love and accept myself. Okay, good job. That was really good. So now you've done the second round of the releasing for EFT tapping. So I want you to check into your emotions again. So on a scale of 0 to 10, how uncomfortable about showing up on camera do you feel? So what we're aiming now is to be at 0. If you're still feeling between 1 and 10, I invite you to rewind this video and go through the release rounds again. If you're feeling at a 0, then now what we're going to do is tap in positive suggestions. So we could start at the top of the head. Do you want to tap with me again? I am totally capable of showing up on camera. I know that I'm feeling called to do this because I'm meant to do this. I've led great conversations with friends and family members before, and so I know I can do the same thing whether it's on Instagram, YouTube, or Zoom. It's the same thing. There are so many people out there that would love to hear from me. When I show up as my best self, I'm contributing to the whole. Let's go to the side of the eye. There is a confident leader within me. There is a confident speaker within me. And let's go underneath the eye. I know that I'm meant to speak. I know that I'm meant to share. And I know that I'm meant for all the opportunities that are waiting for me as soon as I turn that camera on. Let's go underneath the nose. There are so many people out there that I'm meant to help. It's important that I share my voice. And let's go in the chin. There are so many lives that I can change. I have a want to show up on camera because I am capable of doing so. Let's go to the collarbone. I am a confident leader. I am a confident speaker. I am going to wow and amaze people with everything that I have to say. Let's go next to the rib cage. I'm going to fall in love with my work. I'm going to fall in love with sharing. And I'm going to fall in love with helping others. And when I help others, I help myself too. Because we are all connected. And let's head to the wrist. I am confident. People love to hear what I have to say. And I am worthy of showing up and sharing. All right, so congratulations. You just went through one whole positive round of the suggestion. So now you should be feeling uplifted. You should be feeling inspired. If you want to feel even more uplifted and energized, then you can absolutely rewind and listen back to the positive suggestions aspect of this video. But I'm so happy that you were here and that you went through all of this. So this is going to be so helpful anytime you need to show up on camera. I'm definitely doing this as a special request for our students, especially the newer students who want to show up on camera as the best coach that they can be, the best leader that they can be. And so I encourage you to use this when you're coming to the Technique Mastery calls. But whether it's for showing up on Instagram video, YouTube video, Zoom calls, whatever it is, you can definitely use all the suggestions and affirmations that we covered here to help you become more comfortable and more confident on camera. A really important thing to know about EFT tapping is it works better when you use it as a routine and a ritual. So fit this into your daily routines and rituals. Use it whenever you have time and you're thinking about it. Have a big glass of water because we moved a lot of energy today. And thanks so much for being here. Bye. Want to say bye? Bye. See you next time. By the way, I've put together a free abundance bundle for you. So in this abundance bundle, you'll get access to more subliminals, EFT videos, and a scripting technique that helped me manifest 6-figure months. So all you have to do is click down below in the description to get access to that. You'll also get audios that you can download so you can listen to some of my work on your own time. This is all to thank you for being part of our community here on YouTube.